Hi everybody, it's Brett with It's Picking Time. I just did 3 different versions, I think, maybe 4 versions of using strumming, different strums within the same beat. Now, I was trying to go kind of up a ladder there, starting with down, stop, right? And then I went to down, stop, down, stop. It's the same number of beats. It's just more strumming, right? Because I'm able to I'm strumming twice on that third beat, right? Down, 2, 1, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, okay? Then we go to the 2 beats for each. Down, down. I'm just making an A minor here. Oh, let's get into the quad view. Why not? And then we have 3 beats. Okay? So now all these are in varying degrees of difficulty. And that's only with one chord. Okay? That's only moving one chord. Let's say I wanted to go from A minor to C, and I wanted to go down, stop, down. So the C takes the place of the stop. Actually, it takes the place of the second beat. Then we can also do maybe down, down. And then that way the chord changes. So there's a lot of different ways you can kind of do this, and for me it helps to write them down. So I'm kind of going down a list of which ones I like best and which ones I don't. I just put a little happy face next to them or sad face if I don't like it, right? It's like the down, stop, down, down with A minor to C. Okay? Down, it's okay. Down, down, stop, C. Okay, like that. Maybe we go a little faster. Wait. There's something right there, kind of like that one. So what we're doing is we're working through different chords. And keeping the same beat. Do, 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 bump, bump. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just timing it out. Now, using a metronome can be helpful for some people. It's something that kind of makes a regular sound every so often, and you can choose how often you want that sound to go. It can go, for instance, it can go tick, 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 like that, or it can go tick, 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 tick. It can go as fast as you want to, really. My suggestion is that you get one if you do get a metronome, either as an app or even one that you stand on your desk, is that you can see it moving, something moving, because it's helpful. We're very visual as people. Most of the time we're very visual. The other thing is if you have one that makes a sound, I suggest getting one that makes an accented sound on one of the beats, so you always know at least what beat 1 is. So it's kind of like it's louder a little bit, okay? So that way, if you just have one that goes tick, 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 like all the same volume, so to speak, they are difficult to discern where the heck you are in the beat. So, a couple of suggestions there if you're gonna get metronome, okay? So that's it. Yeah, we're moving through. We're kind of trying to keep that same time. I had a pretty slow time there. And then, of course, you can also add or subtract notes from the chords if you want to. So, right, you can do that. Or let's just make a hammer on. Whoops, sorry. So there's a lot of stuff we can do, guys. A lot of stuff we can do. Tons of creativity here. There are no mistakes, though. You really cannot make a mistake. If you like something at all, keep doing it over and over, and that becomes a pattern, and that becomes basically the backbone of a song, okay? So really enjoy doing that, guys, over and over and over again. A lot of different examples in this video. You know, listen to it a couple times. Subscribe, share this video if you think it's worthwhile, and keep playing, guys. Keep staying behind your guitar every single day if you can. Just a few minutes. It's not a big deal. 5 minutes is better than nothing. Okay, so try it out, and I'll see you soon.